Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Caesar dressing at home. Start with the essential components for a truly delicious homemade Caesar dressing. You'll need fresh garlic, a bright lemon, and finely grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a high-quality extra virgin olive oil and a single fresh egg yolk to create that creamy emulsion. For that classic umami punch, have some anchovy paste or finely minced anchovies on hand. Finally, Dijon mustard and a dash of Worcestershire sauce will round out the flavors beautifully. Now, let's build the creamy base for our dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 fresh egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and the juice from half a lemon. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 30 seconds until the mixture becomes light and slightly frothy. This initial whisking is key for a stable emulsion. Then, very slowly, begin to drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, whisking continuously until the dressing thickens beautifully. With our creamy base ready, it's time to infuse it with incredible flavor. Stir in 1 finely minced clove of garlic and 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste. These are crucial for that authentic Caesar taste. Next, fold in 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a dash, about 1/2 teaspoon, of Worcestershire sauce. Finish by seasoning with freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Once your delicious homemade Caesar dressing is complete, proper storage is important. Transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it promptly. This dressing will stay fresh and flavorful for about 3 to 5 days. Before serving, give it a good whisk to re-emulsify any ingredients that may have separated. It's perfect tossed with crisp romaine lettuce, crunchy croutons, and extra Parmesan for a truly satisfying classic Caesar salad. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.